ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but she's pa percent ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
uba lakman rumboy umentri ubray khmi yakatna revenue and disaster management ka Sorkar jilla haka arpo hunyo terek yoyong arajar arpun riu la pentep baga jilla kala long ka Pynkhreh la rajya bawan Lynshop ki bor Mariang haba pentep yakanesha kilat pathai khobor uba lakman rumboy ulaong baga Sorkar jilla kala long ka Pynkhreh nadu ki Tiar kitar bat kumju ru yakajing don jong ki Briew haka tanat ka badai khmi halor kani ka benta kata kum ka Ïarap bat ki wei Nalor kata ulo angru banakaliang ka Sorkar jalla kala pentep shabaro ki bor penyat district pan long ki bala Pynkhreh larami kinu ki jingja.
See, the government of Meghalaya, the disaster management team, are well equipped to handle all the situation. And more importantly, as you know that now with the help of technology, we can predict the thing beforehand. So, but as of now, I don't have the report with me. What is how's the rain all over the state. But having said that, the team, whether from the SDO office or the DC office or in all the state of Meghalaya, they have been alerted to attend to any situation arise. So let's hope that the situation will be, it's not warranted for anybody, but all the disaster management team are on standby. See, this is depend of from one district to another district. You cannot generalize all over the state. So the district magistrate is fully empowered as the chairman of disaster management to look into all the issues related to the district. So it is not for us at the state level to see those things. We have empowered and the management rule also empowered the district magistrate to do everything needful. We are well equipped, whether manpower and because when we manage this disaster management, it's not only from the government. We are very happy that people are fully cooperated, and we have the team from the Home Guard, we have the team from the police, we have team from fire and fire service. All those teams are on alert, and I'm also happy. Most importantly, that the people of Meghalaya, they are very cooperative with the agency in tackling in any eventualities. See, when we talk about the disaster, it is not one. It's not because of rain. It also not only because of rain. We have to issue also when we have to manage how to manage the disaster. We have to see whether this wall, whether this hill is stable or not, whether through the deforestation, whether it affect the management of the disaster or not, is a combination of everything. When we talk about disaster, it's not only about rain, it's not about earthquake, it's not about any other thing. There are also man-made, there are also the accident which happen. See, the SDO civil have already issued time and again military prohibition, restriction, and whatever happened is unfortunate. I'm very happy that government have asked the SDO civil to inquire into those incidents. And recently I have seen also the agency which implement this highway, especially from Shillong have taken step to see that whatever foreseeable thing which may happen to see. That's why they have dismantled those hillock at Mauli and all. So we hope that with better coordination between the district administration, the sub-divisional administration, and the implementing agency should be there to manage this crisis which you are talking about.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
ka plus F
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ai khan diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balai hi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing man toy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya